Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, DIY and sometimes crocheting videos as well. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notifications. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create this what I call Egyptian princessy look, and it's very easy to create, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. First you have to prime your lids. I'm using a legal concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that well and set that with some translucent setting powder by Colourpop. I'm going to use this Morphe's 35H Hotspot palette and the color called Babe's Night Out as my transition shade, and the next shade is Ripple Effect from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. It's a beautiful shimmer shade. It's gray gold color and it's beautiful, and I'm going to apply that well with my fingers first, and then I'm going to use this wave maker from the same palette on a slightly smaller brush, and I'm going to create that liner, winged liner with the same color, and I'm going to extend that towards my crease as well to give that princessy look, like what do you call it, a graphic liner look. Wanted this liner to look slightly blue in shade, but it looks green, so I'm going to use this shade called Singled Out from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that over that green or the navy blue color. It's actually navy blue, but it looks green here. Next I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. Nothing too fancy because I like natural eyebrows. And guys, do you watch my videos? I have started uploading once again, so please take some time out and watch my videos because they're very short videos, guys. Show some love. I'm going to apply Illegal's concealer in the shade medium beige again on my under eye dark circles, and I'm going to blend that all well with a brush, and then I'm going to set that with some Colourpop's setting powder in the shade translucent. Once again, I use the same powder and the same concealer all the time. Next I'm going to use Maybelline's Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner in black, and I'm going to line my upper waterline, and I'm going to bring that same navy blue shade onto my lower lash line as well, and I'm going to smoke that out. Next I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Kohl liner in You're Always White. I don't have too many colorful eye pencils, so what I do is I apply white and then apply shadow on top, so it gives the same color. I'm going to use the Balm's Merry Luminizer as my underbrow bone highlight, and the color called Pool Floaty from the same palette as my inner corner highlight. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply good Maybelline's Hyper Volume Express mascara. I load my eyelashes with some mascara. You can apply falsies, and this is the final look, you guys. Very easy princessy eye makeup look, just with 2 to 3 eyeshadows, perfect for any occasion. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram as well. There are many short videos on my channel, and show some love by subscribing, and I love you all guys. Bye bye.